In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log in to GoDaddy Email 365. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you have registered for the email service that GoDaddy offers, a lot of these are going to include Microsoft 365 for additional functionalities and more customizability. Now, as of today, how do you properly log into your GoDaddy email and access 365? Well, you won't be logging in directly to GoDaddy Email 365. Rather, you will have to access your workspace email with the Microsoft 365 credentials. So to do this, you have two main options. For the first one, which is what I recommend for most people, open a web browser and go to office.com. This is the website where you will be able to sign into your GoDaddy email address and access the functionalities available on Microsoft 365. So once you go over to office.com, all that you have to do here is choose the option to sign in. Now, I am already signed in with my Microsoft account, but if you weren't, you would be able to include the full email address associated with your GoDaddy Workspace email plan. So just include the email here and you will be able to proceed alongside the password. These credentials were given to you when you signed up to use the service available here through GoDaddy. Alternatively, you might also be able to do this through the email and Office dashboard. So if you access the email and Office dashboard directly through GoDaddy after you sign into your account, you will be able to find the option to go over to your workspace email. This will redirect you to the email and then you will be able to access all of the functionalities and see the emails that you have received and sent. Alternatively, like I said, I believe that the office.com website method is going to be the best for most people, so just visit this page and you will be able to sign in using the credentials that were given to you when you signed up for their services. I hope I was able to help you on how to sign in or log in to GoDaddy Email 365. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.